Why do certain people get under your skin like no one else? Why does one sign's energy make you feel seen, while another makes you feel small? In astrology, our emotional triggers aren't just random, they're cosmic. The stars don't just shape our personalities, they shape our wounds. And understanding them is the first step to mastering your own emotional power. Every zodiac sign carries a unique frequency, and when two energies collide, they either harmonize or create friction. That friction, that's where the magic and the pain happens. Triggers are the universe's way of forcing you to look in the mirror. The signs that challenge you the most often highlight the very wounds you haven't yet healed. Let's talk about fire signs Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. These signs are bold, unapologetic, and driven by passion. If you find yourself triggered by them, it could mean you struggle with asserting yourself. Maybe their confidence reminds you of times you felt invisible. Or maybe their bluntness cuts into old wounds of not being heard. Now take earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. If their practicality and stability make you uneasy, it could be because you fear structure or responsibility. Maybe you resist discipline, or their grounded nature makes you feel like your dreams aren't realistic. Their presence forces you to confront whether you're avoiding stability or whether you crave it more than you admit. Water signs Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are deeply emotional, intuitive, and at times overwhelming. If their depth makes you uncomfortable, ask yourself, are you afraid of vulnerability? Do their emotions mirror parts of you that you keep buried? Being triggered by a water sign often means you have unresolved emotional wounds waiting to be acknowledged. Then there are the air signs Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Intellectual, detached, and always analyzing. If their logic frustrates you, it might be because you feel unheard, unseen, or invalidated. Air signs push you to think, sometimes at the expense of feeling. If that irritates you, it may be a sign that you need to balance reason with emotion. So, what does this all mean? It means your triggers are teachers. The signs that push your buttons reveal the areas where you still need growth. Instead of resisting these cosmic lessons, embrace them. Ask yourself, what is this trigger trying to show me? What part of myself do I need to heal? Astrology isn't just about knowing your strengths, it's about recognizing your shadows. And once you do, no trigger can control you anymore. If this spoke to you, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the universe's hidden truths. Because the more you understand yourself, the more you unlock the power written in the stars.